You say it's hard to tell.
So what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another GELE tutorial, so let's go. Let's get it. Get it. And it's literally something nice, big, and simple. So everyone, it's your GELE. Yeah, we're matching my top today and the background. Oh my god, that might be difficult to see. Don't think of that one. Okay, anyway guys, so this is our GELE and I'm twisting it into, as you can see, with our half all the way, and the measurement for this now is 50-50. So starting from the back. Start from the back. And we twist, puncture, or crossing it. Make sure you've got all of the twists. Coming through, and then you're getting your pin. Make this style you are using the pin without the ball on the head. This will look like the office pin. We'll come in here and you're going to pin this down, making sure you're not pinning, you're not securing down the. That's too far out. So we're going to twist it, that's too far up. So somewhere here. There we go. Not too far up. Don't be like me. Secure it. Okay. And I'm going to do the same here as well. So it's secure on my head. guys to trust the back. Don't really look at the back. And then voila, we have got there's a 360. Ready to party. Like, can you tell I'm ready to party? Alright guys, let's give you a close up. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know we get notifications every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload. If you don't know, now you know you are Lizzie Atkins channel. So for now, remain blessed and I'll see you in my next video.
Just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star.